My name is Dennis Greffoni and welcome to How to Deploy an App Site on Microsoft Exchange Server 2016. I'm recording this video for personal training and it will take about 15 minutes. This video is the best view for a level 2 or level 3 engineer. So let's start. Created 3 domain controllers and 3 Exchange Server 2016 connected with a Frisco virtual router. And for this video I've created 3 site links connection with a default cost of 100. I've only changed the replication time to 15 minutes from the default 180. And to better understand the diagram, we now have DC01 and Exchange 01 on site 1, DC02 and Exchange 02 on site 2, DC03 and Exchange 03 on site 3, all connected with the Frisco virtual router. With the get mailbox server command, you can see that, in this case, no database availability group is present between the 3 Exchange servers. And with the get AD site, no one of the site is hub site enabled. And with the get mailbox command, you can see that my mailbox is stored on Exchange 01 and Lisa mailbox is stored on Exchange 03. So this is the starting point for this video. In this initial test, I'm sending a mail from my mailbox on Exchange 01 to Lisa mailbox stored on Exchange 03 with the subject upside 01. And as a final test, I'm logging on to Lisa mailbox to check if the mail sent was correctly delivered. We are now on Exchange Admin Center in Delivery Reports under Mail Flow. For the mailbox to search Lisa, searching for messages received from myself with a hub word in a subject line. And as you can see, the message was submitted from server Exchange 01 in a remote site. The message was received by Exchange 03 from Exchange 01 and successfully delivered. During this video, for troubleshooting and log analysis, you will see myself sending more than one mail. With the get message tracking log command for the server Exchange01, with the sender myself, I'm going to verify if the messages with the subject hub site that I've sent were successfully submitted from Exchange01. With the same command for the server Exchange03, we can also verify that the two messages were successfully delivered to Lisa mailbox. And to better understand the hub site, we can now verify that on Exchange02, no messages with the subject hub site were in transit. And if I have to explain it on the diagram, the mail were submitted from Exchange01 in site 1 to Exchange03 in site 3 as the molar cost. And with the getID site command, with identity site02 in a format list, I'm going to select the hub site enable properties, which is false by default. And with the set ID site command for the identity site02, I'm going to change the hub site enable value to true. We are now supposing that site02 is hub site enable for Exchange02. So I'm going to send another mail with the subject hub site03 from Exchange01 to Exchange03. And as you can see, nothing has changed from the previous configuration. And this is because an Exchange server in site 2 only processes email if site 2 is a hub site enabled, like we did, and is in the shortest path. And we are creating an hub site because we want that all the mail between all of the sites are processed for compliance by a server inside 2. So what I'm going to do now is to change the cost from site 1 to site 2. And from site 2 to site 3 to 25. So now we have a total cost from site 1 to site 2 and site 2 to site 3 of 50 and the original cost from site 1 to site 3 of 100. And back to the diagram, we now have that site 2 is hub site enable and it's on the lowest cost. Please also wait and check for the replication topology between the sites. And as you can see, the message was submitted from server Exchange 01 in a remote site, and the message is traveling normally. So for an update, check back in a few minutes. And again, with the message tracking logs for server Exchange 01, we can see that messages upside 10 and 11 were successfully submitted. With the get message tracking log for Exchange 03, we can also see that the messages were successfully delivered . And for server Exchange 02, we can now prove that messages are in transit. And as you can see in this article in TechNet, hub sites are used only if the Active Directory site exists along the least cost routing path for the message. And before to finish this video, we now know that a hub site, when on the lowest cost path, always processes email. An hub site is often used for compliance and security scans. Hub sites are optional. And we are at the end of this video, so thank you very much for your time, and if you want to be in touch with me, just subscribe on my channel. Bye!